Welcome to our channel. Let's learn and have fun together. What a beautiful day! Wow! Assalamualaikum, Aman.
Waalaikumsalam, Rayyan.
Ready for a fun day at the park? Absolutely! Hello, friends!
Everything looks so peaceful today.
I love coming here.
Wait, what's that doing there?
Oh no! Look at all this trash!
The park looks messy. The flowers look beautiful, but the litter makes everything look untidy.
I have an idea! Let's clean the park ourselves!
That's a great idea! Let's help! This bag is bigger than me!
One piece at a time. Everyone deserves a clean place to play.
The flowers can shine again!
I've got the cups.
Wow, look at it shine! Wow!
We're making a difference. Look how much better it looks.
I found one! And I found the last one! Yeah!
Everything belongs in the right bin.
The park looks amazing now. Teamwork really works.
Remember to keep your surroundings clean. Always throw trash in the bin.
Woohoo!
See you next time, friends. Hey, friends. Welcome to our channel. Let's learn and have fun together.